Hi everyone, I am going to solve a problem people are facing. How do I get data analysis in Excel 2019? Uh, it's a Excel 2019. If you are feeling problem how to get data analysis, for example, it's a data when I click data I don't get the data analysis. Okay, uh, so from where I can get the data analysis? First of all, I have to open a file. Okay, then here is the option more. Here's the options we will click. Okay, after that adds in option, we'll click adds in option. When I did click adds in option, then I'm watching here Excel adds ins. Okay, I'll click on go button. So after that I'll check the analysis tool pack and I'll click analysis tool pack. I'll click and then I'll press OK. So here is the button of data analysis. I think you are getting my point. The reason behind why is there no data analysis in Excel? If the data analysis command is not available in your version of Excel, you need to load the analysis tool pack adds in program. These instructions apply to Excel 2010, Excel 2013 and Excel 2016. Okay, click the file tab, click options and then click the adds in category. I hope you get my point. Okay, take care.